Hi, I'm Chantel Ray.
And this is the Waist Away Podcast.
And that's the product called Heartbeat. We affectionately call that the boner juice.
I'm going to tell my husband he can't have that one because his sex drive is on over.
The parent chemical is called xylene, and this is found in perfume. So I don't care how fancy or how much you pay. Most people, including me, don't want to smell that crap.
My mama always said, put a lang-a-lang on your a-lang-a-lang. And that's the one oil you don't want your husband or your partner to necessarily know about.
Yeah, because he'd be like, okay, where's the lang-lang? Let's get it, right?
When we start having shameful, painful, any kind of emotions arise, we want to self-medicate. We want to feel better, and we want to feel better instantly. But you know what? This too shall pass.
Have you seen that on Facebook?
I have seen
Prepping
it, yes.
my meals for the week.
Drives
They're
me
eating
crazy.
the same thing
Yeah.
every single day, Sunday through, Monday. Are you kidding me? No, thank you.